Hello everybody, welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. I'm your host, Chris, and in this video, we are going to do three things, actually, not six, three. Technically three things. We're going to first log into the web browser version, then we're going to go in and enable network discovery for the application on the phone. So, let's just go ahead and do it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. So, the web interface will be https://front whack, and then 192.168.1.10. Remember that IP address that we set in the video previously? That's why we did this. And then it's 8443 so that's the HTTPS secondary port. Then we'll click, so you click advanced, click proceed. Then we log in like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, and then we'll go right here like this right here. And we'll log in. Now we're not going to save any credentials. There we're in the web interface. Now we go to the gear on the left right here to settings. We go to system. And then you scroll down right here. This one. This, when I first logged in, was not checked. It was not checked. So I just went ahead and checked it. And here we go. This is how you get to this portion. And then that leads into my video next. The second half of this video. Thank y'all for watching. And enjoy the second part. Hello everybody. Welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. I'm your host, Chris, back with another video. And in this one, I am going to show you. This is after we went into the desktop version of the Unifi controller now and connected it directly to the Linux Mint machine that we created, the service that's running, the Unifi service. Now we're going to do it on the cell phone. So we go to Google, we go to the Play Store, and see I've already got it pulled up. Just type in Unifi and install. And once this is done, we're going to, now we're going to run it after it's done. And then I'm going to show you how to get to the server and all that kind of stuff. So let's open. And then we're going to agree and continue. And then allow, because we do. And then yes, we want it to allow it to find things. So we're going to log into our account here. And this will be very cool. Because then, once this is done, then we can start blocking things and managing our network and seeing devices that are not quite working the way they should. Now you notice there's nothing in the list, so let's click add, and we're going to let it use the location while it's scanning. Now you notice it didn't find anything, even though in the last video, the first part of this video, we had it set up to do that very thing. We're going to click advanced. We're going to call this thing Unifi. IP is 192.168.1.10. And then the port is 8443 like it was in the last one. And then we put in our cloud, like a big login and stuff. Now, let's wait and see. Now, let's see if it'll actually connect. Let's see what happens. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Unifi. So what we're going to do is we're going to close that out again. Then we're going to open it again. We're going to go here. And we're going to forget this. And then we're going to add it again. We're going to try this again just to see. Because there's some reason that it's doing that. We're going to try it again. Because from what I'm seeing, it should be working. There's no reason it should be doing that. Unless it's something with the virtual machine. It could be that. And if I find out what it is, I'll let y'all know. But I probably won't look into it too much if I can get this working. You know what I mean? So 192.168.1.10, 8443. We're going to log into that. There it is. So what I had to do was stop the app and then restart it, wipe everything out, and start over. So we're going to click proceed. And there you have it, people. There you have it. It's showing 14 clients, and I'm not going to click into that because y'all will be able to see all the MAC addresses. I'm already going to have to do some editing, get those out. But as you can see, it's fairly simple. The process to get to where I am took about 3 hours or so. Something like that. Because it took a long time because I had to set up Proxmox. As y'all see, I've got a video on that too. I set up Proxmox, got all that working. Then I ended up doing the rest of it, installing Ubuntu for like 3 times, and worked through all those issues. And see, I finally got it working. Now it works. Works beautifully. And I guarantee you, I will make a bet with everybody that I'll have to rarely touch that machine. I bet you it'll just run and run and run and run, because that's what they always do. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I am your host, Chris, signing off for now. Thank y'all very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video, y'all. Peace.